All right, so the math area in our classroom is a lovely space for the child to explore and get their hands on some math materials. So the child has a mathematical mind, and it's inherent, it's already in them, and they're a mathematical person. And our materials allow the mathematical mind to come out, right? And the child to really use it and apply it in the real world. So we start with very familiar concepts from 1 to 10, and then we introduce, and that's with quantity, and then we introduce symbol. And so from there, the child will explore putting quantity and symbol together, and then we'll introduce them to the functions of math. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and then from there they use that in all other aspects of the math area. So they further explore those functions, and they work to memorize their math facts. And as we go throughout the materials, the child moves closer and closer to abstraction. So when they leave primary, those math facts are in them, and they have the confidence and the ability to perform mathematical functions and to love math.